Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Welcome to the intriguing world of affiliate marketing, a realm where you can turn your online presence into a revenue stream. In this video, we'll show you the ABCs of affiliate marketing. Make sure you watch until the end to see a real example of an affiliate marketing transaction. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a process where you promote products or services for a company, and in return, you earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. It's a win-win situation. The company gets more sales, and you get a piece of the profit. Affiliate marketing has surged in popularity due to its potential for significant earnings. With the right strategy, dedication, and a pinch of patience, one can generate a steady income stream. Some even manage to make a full-time living out of it. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to the potential income you can make from affiliate marketing. So, are you ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing? Get your pen and paper and get ready to take notes. Welcome to Money Funnel, where you get inspired, get motivated, and get practical advice on how to be financially independent. We are here to support you in your quest for that abundant and happy life for yourself and your family. Please help us grow this channel by subscribing now. Don't forget to hit that like and notification bell for more financial tip videos. Starting an affiliate marketing venture may seem daunting, but it's actually quite simple when broken down into steps. First, you'll want to choose a niche. This is essentially the topic or area that your affiliate marketing efforts will revolve around. It could be anything from fitness and health to tech gadgets, fashion, or even pet care. The key here is to pick a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will not only make your work more enjoyable, but also lend you credibility with your audience. Next, you'll need to find a product to promote. There are countless products out there that offer affiliate programs, so you'll have no shortage of options. Do some research to find a product that aligns with your chosen niche and that you genuinely believe in. Remember, authenticity is key in affiliate marketing, and your audience will be able to tell if you're promoting a product you don't truly stand behind. Once you've chosen your niche and product, the next step is to create a website or blog. This will serve as your platform for promoting your chosen product. There are plenty of user-friendly website builders out there that can help you get your site up and running in no time. And don't worry if you're not a tech wizard. Many of these platforms offer easy drag-and-drop interfaces and pre-designed templates to get you started. Two good blogging platforms are WordPress and Squarespace. The final step is to create content. This could be blog posts, videos, podcasts, or any other form of media that resonates with your audience. Your content should not only promote your product, but also provide value to your audience. This could mean offering tips and advice, sharing personal experiences, or providing educational information. Remember, the goal is not just to sell a product, but to build a relationship with your audience. With these steps, you're well on your way to starting your affiliate marketing venture. Now you might be wondering, where can I find products to promote? Well, the answer is simple. Affiliate marketing platforms. These platforms are a goldmine of products waiting to be promoted and sold, and they're the perfect starting point for any aspiring affiliate marketer. We will provide 3 platforms that you can use to begin your affiliate marketing venture. Let's start with Amazon Associates. Known for its vast selection of products, Amazon Associates is a popular choice among beginners. Joining the platform is as easy as signing up for an account, navigating to the Associates section, and following the prompts to become an affiliate. Once you've joined, you can choose from millions of products to promote. From electronics to books and everything in between, Amazon Associates has it all. Next up is ClickBank. Unlike Amazon Associates, ClickBank specializes in digital products. To join, you simply need to create an account, browse through the marketplace, and select a product to promote. The beauty of ClickBank is the high commission rates, which can be as high as 75%. So if you're looking to promote digital products like ebooks or online courses, ClickBank is the way to go. Last but not least, we have CJ Affiliate. This platform is known for its wide range of high-quality products and reputable merchants. To get started, sign up for an account, apply to affiliate programs within your niche, and wait for approval. Once you're in, you'll have access to a multitude of products that you can promote on your website or blog. Now, choosing a product to promote might seem overwhelming, given the vast selection. A good rule of thumb is to select a product that aligns with your chosen niche. It's crucial to promote products that interest you and your audience. That way, promoting becomes less of a chore and more of an exciting venture. In conclusion, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate are just a few of the many platforms available for affiliate marketing. By joining these platforms and choosing products that align with your niche, you're one step closer to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Remember, the key is to choose a product that aligns with your chosen niche. You've chosen your product. Now, how do you get people to see it? This is where traffic platforms come into play. These platforms are the channels through which you'll promote your affiliate products, reaching out to potential customers. Let's start with one of the most popular traffic platforms, social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn are not only for connecting with friends and colleagues, they are also powerful tools for promoting your affiliate products. You can create engaging posts, host live sessions, and even run paid ads to reach a wider audience. Remember, the key to successful social media promotion is engagement. Make sure to interact with your followers, respond to their comments, and provide valuable content. Next, we have search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is all about making your content discoverable on search engines. By strategically using keywords related to your affiliate products, you can increase the visibility of your website or blog. This way, when someone searches for a product you're promoting, your site appears in the search results, driving organic traffic your way. Then, there's email marketing. Despite the rise of social media, email remains a highly effective platform for promotion. You can build an email list by providing valuable content in exchange for your audience's email addresses. Once you have a list, you can send out newsletters, product updates, and promotional offers directly to their inbox. This helps in nurturing a relationship with your audience and guiding them down the sales funnel. Lastly, don't overlook the power of content marketing. By creating valuable content like blogs, videos, and infographics, you can attract and engage your audience. Not only does this establish you as an authority in your niche, but it also provides an avenue for promoting your affiliate products. Remember, no matter the platform, the goal is to provide value to your audience. This way, they'll trust your recommendations and be more likely to purchase the products you're promoting. Promotion is all about reaching your target audience where they are. So, pick the platforms that suit your audience and your product and start promoting. Let's take a look at an example of affiliate marketing in action. Picture this, a successful affiliate marketer named Alex. Alex has a passion for photography and decides to capitalize on his interest by creating a blog about camera equipment. Alex's blog is The Niche. It focuses on a specific interest, camera equipment, and targets a specific audience, photography enthusiasts. This niche is not too broad, making it easier for Alex to connect with his audience and provide them with valuable content. Next, Alex selects a product. He chooses a high-quality camera that he personally loves and uses. It's a product he can vouch for, a product he knows his audience would find beneficial. This is crucial in affiliate marketing. Promoting a product you believe in helps build trust with your audience. To promote the product, Alex writes a detailed review on his blog. He shares his personal experience with the camera, discussing its features and benefits, and why he thinks it's a great investment for photography enthusiasts. Within this review, Alex includes his affiliate link to the camera, but Alex doesn't stop with just a blog post. He uses various promotion strategies to drive traffic to his blog. He shares his review on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, where he has a large following of photography enthusiasts. He also uses SEO strategies to ensure his blog post ranks high on search engine results. Over time, Alex's audience grows. His review post gains traction, and people start clicking on his affiliate link and purchasing the camera. For every sale made through his link, Alex earns a commission. It's a win-win situation. Alex's audience gets a great product, and Alex earns passive income. As you can see, affiliate marketing involves a lot of moving parts, but when done right, it can be very profitable. It's about finding the right niche, selecting a product you believe in, and effectively promoting it to your audience. And remember, like Alex, your success in affiliate marketing hinges on providing value to your audience. Now that we've covered the basics of affiliate marketing, let's quickly recap what we've learned. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn income by promoting other people's or companies' products. We've walked through the steps to start your own affiliate marketing venture, from selecting a niche, to choosing products to promote, and setting up a platform to share your recommendations. We've also touched on the various affiliate marketing platforms available, each with its own unique features and benefits. And let's not forget the importance of traffic platforms for promotion. These are the channels where you'll share your affiliate links and drive potential customers to the products you're promoting. We rounded off with an example of affiliate marketing in action, showing how these elements come together in a real-life scenario. With these tools, you're well equipped to start your own affiliate marketing venture. Remember, the key to success is persistence and consistent effort. Good luck. To learn more financial tips, watch the next video recommended by YouTube here. Thanks for watching.